Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making special brownies, not just any ordinary brownies. These ones gonna have flavor of orange inside, and I'm gonna serve it with a bit of chocolate sauce. Oh, trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. For a better taste, use the best quality of ingredients for these brownies. Break in the chocolate. In goes the beautiful butter. Onto the simmering water. So we're going to melt the butter and the chocolate. Just leave it there for a few minutes until, as you can see, it starts to melt up. So now give this a mix slowly. So everything is nicely melted. Just turn off the heat now and remove this. Onto this towel here to catch any moisture. Now add in the sugar, mix. Add in the sugar and mix. So after that I'm gonna add 3 eggs, 1 egg at a time. Break your egg, open slowly, beautiful. And mix this. So why are we adding 1 egg at a time? Just to make sure this will incorporate properly. Final egg, smash, open. Mix until nice and smooth. Look at that. With the help of a spatula, clean the sides. Vanilla extract. Beautiful Valencian Orange Extract. Amazing. Give this a really good mix. Smells amazing, trust me. Place a sieve on top. Add in the flour. Pinch of salt for some taste. Cocoa. Just sieve that through. Give this a really good mix, nice and gently. Look at that. A baking tray. Now add in the mixture into this container. Just distribute it evenly. This goes in the oven at 180 Celsius for 45 minutes. All done. Please let it rest for overnight. Now the brownie is completely cooled down and it's rested overnight. Just gonna remove it from this pan. So nice and easy. Pick it up like so. Place it here. Look at that. Just place it here. So I'm just gonna remove this hard bit from here first. Each time you cut it, make sure you clean the knife. Block of brownie, with the help of a knife, cut it straight. Chewy, fudgy, beautiful. So that's it. For the dressing, I've just boiled some milk and added in some dark chocolate, and I'm just gonna melt it together. Alright guys, I'm gonna try these brownies. Looks delicious. So delicious, wow. Oh, the orange really kicks in. A bit chewy, a bit fudgy, perfect. Trust me, your friends and family are gonna really enjoy these brownies. Dark chocolate, orange, you know, beautiful, beautiful. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos. Any suggestions, please leave them down below. Salam.